Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. To you, to you, to you, to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐。
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday manang tisi. Wish ko sa imo good health. Laban lang. Alam ko matapang ka. Love you. Miss you. Happy birthday again. God bless.
Happy birthday, Manang Tisi. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Manang Tisi. Happy 70th birthday, Manang Tisi. Enjoy your day and God bless you always. Sana ingatan mo pang sarili mo kasi para magkita-kita tayo sa personal. Sabi kasi ni Loloy, pakauwi kami next year. So, kita-kits na lang tayo. Miss you, Manang. God bless you always and I love you. Bye-bye, Manang. Happy birthday again. Happy birthday.
Hello po, Matizi. Happy birthday. Wish ko lang na ako is more years to come, more blessings, and good health lang po. We love you po, Matizi.
Happy birthday, Mama Tess. Ang taga-tagan pa kagtaas pang kinabuhi, mayang panglawas. And happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Manang Tisi. Mag-ingat ka palagi dyan. Pasensya na, wala si Bong nasa Maynila. Pero ganun pa man, hindi namin nakalimutan ng birthday mo. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! More birthday to comes.
Happy birthday, Mama Tisi. Minta dagang pang blessing maabot si Mua. More birthday pa na maabutan. Salamat.
Happy birthday, Mama Tis. More blessings to come, more years to come. And I love you. We love you talaga. Sana all. Ito, happy birthday, Mama Tis. Hope you enjoy your day. Then, I'm sorry kaayo kaya dili ko ka-attend cause acquaintance namin for 2 days I need mag-attend cause ang attendance. But, hope you enjoy your day. Happy birthday. We love you.
Hello, Tita. Happy birthday. More blessings. Take care always. Love you.
Happy birthday, Mama Tis. We love you and we miss you. Bye.
Happy blessed 70th birthday, Mama Tis. May you have more birthdays to come.
We miss you.
God bless you.
And we love you.
Yeah.